FLM5180TX SDF6S road washing and sweeping truck is the flagship product of FULONGMA. It contains many patented technologies, stable in performance and advanced in technologies. Its independent patent V-shaped nozzle cleaning technology integrates functions of road cleaning and high-pressure washing, and it can simultaneously perform road cleaning, high-pressure washing, and garbage suck-up. It also equipped with a low-pressure sprinkler system, including front sprinkling, columnar side flushing, and optional rear sprinkling. The truck body is optional for stainless steel and designed in a large curved shape, stable in structure, and beautiful in appearance. It has a long working time, and it's easy to add water and drain sewage. The truck equipped with a high-flow, self-cleaning nozzle and manual spray gun trash container cleaning. The touching status between sweeping brush and floor can be adjusted automatically. The sweeping brush and water spraying racks will retract when encountering obstacles to extend the service life. The vehicle comes with multiple safety alarm devices, adopt CAN bus control system. All the missions can be completed in the cab, easy to operate and maintain. The multi-angle single-point cleaning device, high-pressure curb cleaning device, front guardrail cleaning device, and rear up and down high-pressure sprayer are optional.